Hello, shard timers. 3 minutes on the clock, on the timer. Let's go ahead and get something out. Let's see here. What I have listed here is watch how you allocate or distribute your thoughts. Because that's the energy you're putting out there. Whether they're good or bad, you get what you think about. I used to drive a 48,000 pound bus. I used to drive public transportation, military transportation, shuttle bus, all that stuff, right? Well, one time I was driving public transportation and I didn't know no better. Okay, I was 20 something. I allowed, not to say 20 something is old enough to know better, but I didn't know back then what I know now. So I allowed negative energy to be displayed and projected onto me. And I accepted that because I didn't know I was an empath either. So I took on these feelings and these energies, which I didn't know that they were just energies all along. A long story short is watch your thoughts, whether they're good or bad, you're going to get what you think about. Okay? You get everything that resonates or vibrates with what you're thinking with your energy. You literally are thinking with energy. It takes energy to think. So that's why I'm saying that is to be careful of and watch your thoughts because they become your character, which becomes your destiny. It's a whole paper right there behind me, but I can't read backwards and I'm not going to turn around and get the paper and read it to y'all not right now, okay? Maybe tomorrow. But anyway, how is everybody doing? That's all I wanted to say. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Be aware of your thoughts at all times. It is a task. It takes practice. But you got to be aware of your thoughts. As long as you're aware of what you're thinking, then your life turns out the way you want it. Wow. Yeah, I did that. I went there. All right, y'all. That's all I wanted to say. Gonna go ahead and get off here now. Baby!